everyone, welcome to a new video. My name is Alexandria. Welcome to the channel. Today is a little different. I am not showing off my green hair today. I have it in braids. I was a little lazy to reopen all my braids to jump on camera. So I'm like, why not just add a wig on and just go ahead and give you guys the video. So today I am excited because I was kind of not expecting to receive this collection in the mail when I ordered it. I ordered the Selena with MAC Cosmetics. I'm really excited. I am a huge fan of Selena. Just all the barriers that she made while she was alive and still does up to this day. She makes such an impact. Her story, I think, will live decades and will continue passing to generations and generations. And she is just phenomenal. I love her. I'm so sorry. So I love Selena and just everything from her hits como La Flor, Amor Prohibido, No Me Queda Más, El Apartamento 58, if I'm correct. And there's a few other hits that many of us love up to this day when it comes to Selena. All right, so I picked up the collection. I wasn't able to pick up everything on MAC Cosmetics website. I was only able to pick up the eyeshadow palette and 3 lipsticks. The collection comes with 4 lipsticks and I think 4 matte liquid lips, liners, and a highlighter. So after I received this package on Saturday, I was quite surprised I even got it because with everything happening, I wasn't sure if they were still delivering any of whatever you ordered. But while I was scrolling, I went to Macy's and I found that they had the liquid lips and the highlighter. So I actually end up picking that up on Macy's.com. So here is the palette. It is a beautiful packaging. If I'm correct, the first collection was purple. I do have the it's like the purple that she did I think one of her last performance, and I think was in Texas. She had that beautiful purple jumpsuit. I think was the purple they used off of that collection. The only thing I picked up from that was Como La Flor in the lipstick. It was a metallic color. I wasn't a big fan on me, but I'm a little bit more excited for this second round of this collection. This is for her 25-year anniversary. So this is the packaging of the eyeshadow. It is so beautiful. This is the bustier that we well know from Selena, black sleek package. I would have preferred if they would have added actually real rhinestones on it. I think that would have been super dope to just see like real sparkles to the package. I don't know if that would have probably cost a little more to it. So obviously it comes with Selena in a plastic thing, little paper thing. I think you could actually peel off this thing right here to put it as a picture because it's lifting off of the little cardboard thing. So if you want to stick it somewhere, you could do so. I think. If I'm right, please let me know. So here is a nice good size mirror. We have 8 shades in total. I think we have a total of 5 mattes, 2 shimmers. This one doesn't look matte at all. It has a very shimmer. I actually did not use this color in the look today. I only used these. And I didn't use these two. The pink and the red was the ones that I did not use in the palette. But I'm going to swatch it for you guys. I don't usually do swatches on my videos. I kind of like go ahead and show you a look that you could accomplish with it. But I want to go ahead and give that to you. So I'm going to try to roll up my sleeve. I have a very tight sweater on the arm. So here it is, like one more time. And we're going to go row 1, row 2, and we're going to go so far. So we have this color right here. I'm going to try my best because I have my bracelets here. There goes the first color. And this is the pink, and we're going to see if it has some shimmer to it. It's almost like a metallic pink. And then we have the glitter. I'm trying to see where I could put it at. Right there. And then we got the beige. Like our, there we go. You can't see it goes right through, matches right through my skin. And then we're gonna have this color right here. Then this more like a burgundy red. And then here's another shimmer color. And then here's the other one. So as you see, here are the all 8 shades closer. They're very beautiful. If you have purchased any products from MAC, you already know what you're getting with the quality of the eyeshadows. I think the pigmentation is a lot better from compared to like when they do the little small pods, like for example, like the Aladdin collection and all those little collections. I feel like they use more metallics in those, but this one I feel like the quality is almost similar to what you pick up the little pods from with them. So I do like that. So I do love the colors of the eyeshadows. So pretty. I definitely would, if Selena was alive, I would have loved to have seen her go ahead and display these colors on her lid. I think she would have been phenomenal. Just here's the packaging of all 3 of them. Here it is. Same thing, just like the first for the eyeshadows. And we're gonna go through the colors. And the names will be on the bottom of the screen while I go ahead. And so this is the first one. This has metallic on it. It has sparkles, and this is more let's see if it has this is a frost finish. I'm not a big fan of frost finishes, so I'm gonna go ahead. So if you see the sparkles in it, I'm not a really big fan of frost finishes. I'm not. Here's the second one. Same thing. The names will be here below. I just want to give you guys some swatches. And this one is a cream sheer finish. I do love this nude. And as you know, with MAC, I like to go ahead very gentle because they break very easily. I don't know what it is, but I don't know. The lipsticks, I feel like they're very fragile. When you press hard, they'll go ahead and break on you. And this is the color that I have. This is the Queen of Cumbia. And she was definitely the Queen of Cumbia. And so this is the color I have. And I do love the imprint of the flower on the color. This one is the matte finish. I said I wasn't going to say names. And there you go. I broke my own rule. And here's the matte finish. I can't give you any reviews on anything else because this is what I picked up from the collection. But so far, I do love the packaging and I do like the shadows that were displayed in her collection. And the two, I could say that my 2 favorite colors so far are the matte finish and the cream one. But the frost finish, I don't know. I don't see myself wearing it. I think I should have looked when I was ordering. I was kind of more rushing to order it. If not, I would have skipped on the frost finish and just kept these 2. I got the 4th color. I don't know when it will get here. So I don't remember if that one was a cream or a matte or frost finish. So when I do have it, I will maybe add it on IGTV and I'll show you guys the remaining items that I did pick up for the Selena collection. So you could catch that on IGTV. So I'm just letting you guys know what I have so far, because I bought it as a consumer. I was actually surprised when I was on Macy's and I saw it, because I decided, was like, let me go to Google, put Selena MAC, and it popped up, and I was like, oh, let me pick it up. Nordstrom had it, and I was like, but they didn't have everything available, but Macy's did, and I was like, hey, let me pick up the liquid lipsticks, and let me pick up the highlighter, and let me pick up the remaining lipstick that I did not order. So that's coming soon. So whenever it does, I will have it on IGTV. But that's it. It was very simple. It's a quick swatch video. And then a makeup look. Right here will be my Instagram. So please follow me at HeyIamAlexandria. And I'll see you in my next video. All right, guys. Bye.
Found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let